Changing the starter motor on the Nissan X-Trail, 2 litre DCI, which is the Renault engine, M9R, I believe. The starter motor is on the front of the engine. I'm going to remove the air intake here with 2 plastic clips normally holding this in. And I'm also going to remove this boost pipe here. Common fault on these is these splitting. That's the aftermarket one I've fitted. Remove the engine cover and remove the 2 Jubilee clips for this boost hose here. Disconnect the negative lead on the battery, got 10mm nut, and just place the cable out of the way. So there's a bolt here which is holding the support bracket for the wiring harness. I'm going to remove that first. So this is the new starter, it's the one that's going in here. It doesn't seem to actually be securing the starter in place, it just seems to have a bracket going to it, so I'm going to get that one out of the way. 13mm bolt. Remove the cable going to the solenoid. So the 8mm nut is actually part of the terminal. Plastic cover here that opens up. Another 13mm nut. Right. So that's all the cables off the starter going to the solenoid. Just need to get the two bolts that are holding the starter in position out now. Looks like that might be one of them. And the other one's just there. So there are two 16mm bolts. You can see one there, that's the upper one. And the lower one, I've already loosened them most of the way. I haven't got much space to pull it out. And there we go. I've gone under the wiring harness. I'll just try and maneuver it through. So fitting the new starter is effectively the reversal of removal. Won't need this nut that comes with this one, as the nut is part of the terminal on this car at least. And we can either use the nut that's provided with this one or the one that was already on. That's up to you.